Doug Conant, President and CEO of the Campbell Soup Company and our current Chairman of the SIFE Executive Committee. Welcome and thank you so much for being here and for your avid support of SIFE. It's very much appreciated. What would you say was that aha moment that you might have had that said, I'm going to get involved with this organization?
Well, the real aha moment was when I saw my first competition at Nationals in Kansas City 6 or 7 years ago, and I saw the passion that the students were exhibiting towards advancing free enterprise in a socially responsible way. It was just incredibly uplifting and energizing. I had heard about it, but I have never experienced it. I hadn't experienced it. And that's where the phrase around that time within SIFE came into being, and it was called getting SIFEd. And that was my moment, my aha moment.
Yeah, you almost have to be there to know what getting SIFE means.
Yeah, you can see DVDs, you can read about it, you can hear anecdotes, but until you've experienced it, there's nothing quite like it.
Well, you've explained SIFE as a very unique collaboration between today's leaders and tomorrow's leaders. How do you see that?
As the leadership baton is passed from one generation to the next, I think it's awfully important that the leaders of this generation be very thoughtful about how we're setting up the leadership of the next generation, and that we're giving back to the system that was so profoundly giving to us. And so I think about it as a responsibility, but I also think about it as a joy. It is one of my most favorite things to do. At Campbell Soup Company, we recruit on 3 key characteristics: people who have great character, people who are competent in their chosen field of endeavor, and people who thrive in a team-based environment, who want to be in a team-based setting. And I watch these kids up on stage and I learn about their projects. I see them exhibiting extraordinary character and acting with integrity in a socially responsible way. I see them developing their business competence with a firm understanding of market economics and the financial skills necessary to operate within a free enterprise system. And I see them performing in a team-based way that's second to none. I look at all that and I think this is a program that I can get involved in and that I can really be an advocate for.
So it sounds then that SIFE students are a very natural fit into the culture at Campbell's.
SIFE students are a perfect fit with Campbell's, but I'll tell you, we have 250 leading global organizations, and I would tell you, every one of them needs capable leaders who have character, competence, and want to thrive in a team-based environment. So in many ways, it's a universal fit.
And beyond the students then, you're interacting with a number of executives from around the country and around the world. What kind of networking occurs at a SIFE event, or even outside of the event?
Well, the connections you make through SIFE on a personal basis are incredibly rewarding, because you find yourself connecting with like-minded, like-spirited people who have similar values and who love attending these events and supporting this program as much as you do. So you find you develop a common rapport with them that is a cut above an ordinary business relationship. And then you find over time that you can learn so much from them in terms of the best practices of how they're operating in their industries, many of which are very different than Campbell Soup Company. And so I find there's a personal affinity that develops, and also there's some terrific best practice sharing. And it's not just for me, it's for our whole company. We have 18,000 employees, and some way, shape, or form, those employees over time, many of them are going to be exposed to other company representatives as they work through SIFE. And I think it's just a terrific networking opportunity.
In your role as the chairman of the executive committee, I'm sure you've had the opportunity to introduce SIFE to other people. What do you typically tell them?
When I introduce SIFE to audiences, I basically tell them that I will do, to the best of my ability, I will share with them my experience with SIFE, but that quite frankly, they will never fully understand it until they experience it themselves. which is why we try and capture some of the key experiences of SIFE through DVDs. But also, when I have many of my meetings, I try and have a SIFE team attend and actually give a presentation, and then sit down with the audience and actually take questions and bring it to life firsthand. Because as a business leader, when you see these students in the flesh and you see the passion they have for their work, you can feel it, you can see it, and when you hear them talk about it, it comes alive for you in a way that we just haven't found a way to capture in any other way.